You guys have been absolutely amazing. We reached 1,000 subscribers milestone. Today is the 1st of September 2023 and we have about 1,109 followers, which is just crazy. How did that happen? Am I rich now? Was it any easy? Is it life-changing? Let's find out in this video together. While I have a process video of me animating a walk cycle and Blender Grese Pencil playing in the background, if you're too bored of my little face. To celebrate, I also have a big bonus giveaway in the end, so stay tuned for that. Let's have a look. How it all started? In 2020 I started live streaming, doing some gouache paintings, but also some Blender Grese Pencil exploration and animating in general. And through all of that I became a lot better with the gear and kind of got accustomed to talking to the camera, managing a live stream. So all of that got a few people interested in Blender Grese Pencil, so I thought, I can make a course about that. So I started editing a big video course about all the people that know some 2D animation but wanted to transfer that knowledge into Blender Grese Pencil. That took a long time to edit, condense all that knowledge that I gained over the last 1.5 years before that. But at the end I had about 1.5 hour video course that I put on Gumroad, so I learned a lot about editing through that. And I was curious if I can take some of my live stream content into YouTube. So that's when it all started. Finally, beginning 2022, I uploaded my first YouTube videos all about Blender Grese Pencil. So this is where it started here, and the second video specifically got a lot of views over the years because it got ranked on Google. So these videos are here for a long time, and there are lots of like quick tips all about Grese Pencil in Blender. And then I did a Photoshop video here in October and got a lot of people to this channel too. And then some more advanced things on the compositor, some process videos that didn't do any good, 140 views in like 1 year now. Some things about the fill tool, and that was the year. Upgrades. Beginning 2022 I also bought a new editing PC because before I was editing on this little machine and that lifts off as soon as I open any Premiere or editing software, kind of starts flying away. And so that I seeked also to upgrade other parts of my gear. Upgrade to a new Rode NT USB microphone, also for the live streaming. From there things got rolling and I got quite deep into what they call GAS, Gear Accumulation Syndrome. Test a lot with lights and teleprompters and made a little upgrade here and there. And here you see the subscribers, how that grew. Up until November, December I was still below 500 subscribers within that 1 year. Then I had the winter break here. So I did about 1 video every month in that first year and gaining about 500 subscribers 2023. I took a big break in winter 2022 to 2023, looking back at all the videos I'd done until then, how to improve on that and what I wanted out of YouTube. I looked at all my live streaming and YouTubing and decided to quit the live streaming and commit harder on YouTube. I couldn't do both while also having a full-time job. At the time I also discovered Ali Abdal. He had a lot of good videos and tips about how to get into YouTubing and the right mindset for it. It's not about that perfect one video that you create, but getting better one at a time. His videos also helped me a lot in building up systems and workflows that made all the scripting and the thumbnailing and stuff a lot easier than before. Also, it was all Blender content until then. I wanted to do a lot of painting, wanted to do some sketchbooking and grow as an artist. And so I came up with a couple of art challenges. And also in January 2023, I upgraded to a new camera. This one that is filming right now, the little Sony ZV-1. And it's a very versatile, super small, can't change the lens at all, and has a fairly decent microphone already and records up to 4K, 60. It's brilliant. Let's look at the 2023 numbers. First of all, the videos I did, there were lots of like art goals, animated drawing. So these were all the art challenges and gouache painting outside. And then I slowly came back in April to do more things about Blender because Blender picked up again and there were some new tools available that were very interesting, like some new fill tool settings, and I figured out a couple of problems I always had and solved those. So this was up until April, May. In that time, I also discovered the YouTube channel of Casey Neistat and Van Neistat. I really loved also their free approach to editing and relied on a lot of analog effects, drawing on paper and on old animation systems just do things roguelike. You don't need to have the perfect 4K footage or depth of field or whatever. You need to tell a story, and that was a big kind of like aha moment that it isn't all about the gear and the lights and whatever, but and both these Neistat brothers and the Ali Abdal videos also, they helped me a lot on focusing on writing and coming up with better angles into subjects, and keep going, keep learning, don't look back. Do a better job every video you do. And it all accumulated sort of in that one video, the 5 reasons why Blender for 2D animation. Yeah, the beginning is way too long, of course, but then these glasses even, it was so hard to see anything through that. And I really enjoyed the process of making videos like that, to solve everything in the camera and figure out the story through the camera. This video really particularly changed my approach to this channel and how I want to make videos in the future. And then I went to Annecy, to Animation Festival in Annecy, which kind of changed my schedule and I couldn't post as regular, so the next one is slightly delayed. And until then, that was July. If you look here up until July, I was still under 700 followers. August hit and the beginner's tutorial video kicked in, which is now sitting at 7,000 views in just under 2 months, which is crazy. Nothing has ever performed as well on this channel, and you guys seem to really enjoy it, and a lot of people find me through that, so that's really cool. So here you see all the videos I did this year, fairly regularly. There's a little break, as I said, I went to Annecy, I couldn't post, and then there's a break here and here as well. Summer and stuff happening here. But still, like, the channel, as you can see, really picked up. Oh, here you can also see the monthly gained subscribers. Look at that jump. I usually have like 80 was also like one of my highest, and then there's like a 330 jump in new people following this channel. Look at that jump. It's not that it's 300, but the jump from 80 to 300. And that brings us to the present of 1,109 subscribers. And now that I reached finally this 1,000 subscriber count, biggest question probably is, do I earn any money with this? And no, sadly, in order to be in the YouTube partnership program, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch hour within 365 days. That yes, we hit here the 1,000 subscribers, but we only got 800 view hours out of 4,000, which is not even a quarter yet. And I've been doing this for 1.5 years now, so there's no money inside in a long time probably when it comes to YouTube. But I do sell a course about Grese Pencil, as you know, on Gumroad, and I earn some money through that. But still, it's only at the moment around 730, I think, minus the 350 euros or so that I invest in Facebook adverts for a period of time. I made like maybe 300 euros with this whole thing in 1.5 years. Is it worth all my free time? Money-wise, probably not, but I really enjoy it. The process of coming up with ideas, of filming them, improve and learn from making a video every 2 weeks. For the future in this channel, I want to do a lot more 2D animations, the process of those animations, and I want to make a direct comparison between Animate, Blender and Grese Pencil. Also have a lot of analog painting and drawing coming up that I want to do, and I still have to finish my 100 head challenge for this year, which is going to be a tight one to finish up within the next 2.5 months or so. And then take a break over the winter holidays, of course, looking back at my videos and see how I can improve things and how I can make maybe the process simpler in order to make more videos or take less time into making video productions and having more time to do the projects themselves. There's something really interesting that the Social Blade website provides. It can give you future projections. So in terms of subscriber milestones, it says that in under a year from now, so next May or something, this channel is gonna have 5,000 subscribers. I couldn't even believe there's 1,000 now, and then to think there's gonna be 5,000 one day. And even look at these numbers. In like 3 years, there's gonna be 30,000. These things are a little bit crazy for me. It's dangerous to look at because I'm freaking out when I look at it. But for now, my main goal is to make a video every 2 weeks and not looking at any subscribers or viewers numbers too detailed, because it isn't really the main goal for me. At least until 10K, I want to be free and feel like I can do the videos that I want to do. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to keep growing with you guys and build this nice little community that we have going. And as you can see here, we have about 29 video uploads, 1.1K subscribers, and 45,000 video views about. And here you can also see the live feed of the people subscribing. Here every day there's at least 10, sometimes 20. This is how much I would possibly make of that every day. Let's talk about my special announcement. I want to give away 3 of my Blender courses and this special gouache painting. It of course is an original that I did in April 2020. It's Gandalf from Lord of the Rings on paper, about A5 in size. In order to participate in this special giveaway, you have to first of all be a subscriber, and secondly, you have to leave a comment in the comment section. If you want to have the Grese Pencil course, leave Blender Grese Pencil, or if you want to have the gouache painting, leave gouache painting. And then in about a week's time, on the 10th of September, I will do a public draw of all the people that left that special comment and pull the 3 winners for the Grese Pencil course and 1 winner to get this amazing painting. Ta-da! 1000 subscriber goal! To end this video, I show you a couple of gouache paintings. That's it. Ta-da!